So the last thing to come out are these upper strut mounts, and I obviously upgraded the rubber here when I redid the suspension, but I was having real problems adjusting the caster and camber on this car on the front end. Basically, you loosen these nuts here, and then there's some slotted holes in the bodywork, and you can slide the mount underneath the bodywork forward and back for your caster, or in and out for your camber. And I was just really struggling to get the factory caster. I think caster is the most important number that affects your steering. And I had to push the mount all the way forward, and it was hitting the bodywork here to get even near the caster number I was looking for. And that meant I couldn't push it inwards to get myself some negative camber. I'd have to give up caster to get camber, and it was just really frustrating, and I couldn't get the same side to side with different numbers. So I went ahead and ordered these. These are the Tarett engineering. These are the Monoball camber plates, and they're made from billet aluminum. They're beautiful looking things. What this lets you do, it's got a bit of a smaller neck, and you can get this further forward in the car. So I can get to my caster number. Also, it has these offset mounting holes from side to side. They're a little bit inboard here on each mount. And what that lets you do is when you mount it, it already gives you negative camber. You can move it around obviously and adjust it to the specs that you want, but I feel like I'm going to be able to get way easier to my caster number that I want, which is probably factory, but give myself a bit of negative camber, probably 1 degree of negative camber with these mounts. So I'll take these old ones out and I'll install these new ones.